Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is TreasureLand, the NFT market. TreasureLand is on multiple chains. It's got Ethereum, Binance, and others. I think Polygon as well. What interests me at the moment is that they've got the PancakeSwap NFT collection right there. PancakeSwap is supposed to open its own market, but they started by releasing several of their NFTs. So, because I'm curious, let's have a look at it. So I'm already on Binance Smart Chain because this one is going to be sold on Pancake. Okay, so there are several Pancake Bunnies. The collection has been verified, so it's probably the official collection. There's not much information. Okay, so Pancake Bunnies are PancakeSwap's official home-raised NFTs. Okay, alright. So there are a lot of NFTs here. Wow, 422,345. I don't know how they're going to go up in value, but whatever. Assuming this number is real. And there's 84,000 owners. Good God. Okay, so there's a lot of them. Yeah, so that's another thing to consider, okay? It would have to be pretty rare for it to go up in value. I'm surprised by the numbers. Okay, so what about this one? Look, okay. Alright, so Storm Easter 21, contract number, ticket ID, la-di-da, 0.75 BNB, about $255, okay. There's not a lot of information. Okay, alright. So let's look at other collections. Okay, so what do we have here? I have anonymous punk NFTs, BabySwap, Greca or Reca. What is that? They've got axes. Let's have a look. I have no idea. No results. Yeah, that's helpful. These were among the popular ones, so let's have a look at Jessica. Okay, so this collection is called Jessica. So it's creating different kinds of faces and things. I don't know. It looks bizarre. Not that excited about this collection, honestly. Let's go back. Latest transactions and so on. I'm curious about the anonymous punks. It's yet another punk collection. Not that excited about it either. Okay, what else is there? How about BabySwap? That looks okay. Okay, that's a little bit cuter. Okay, so this one is also on Binance Smart Chain. And you've got all these little babies. Many of them look alike. Okay. Oh, it's celebrating the first anniversary of the Binance Smart Chain, is it? $50. Okay, BabySwap is the best AMM NFT decentralized exchange for newborn projects on Binance Smart Chain. Friendly trading experience and so on. So they have NFBs, non-fungible babies, and BabySwap core NFT products that focus on DeFi staking. Okay. So I guess they're coming from BabySwap AMM. Wow, 89,000. I don't like those numbers. Way too big for me. Alright, not gonna pay for this. Too much. Alright, let's go back here and see. Maybe it's better on Polygon. What do we have on Polygon? We got Polypunks, of course. Thematic, maybe it works better. Okay, so we pretty much saw this collection on another market before, but that's a pretty standard one. The pictures are okay. I mean, they're clear and all that. Quality is okay. Not seeing anything. Oh, there it is. Okay. Not sure where it's in this collection. They don't seem to stick together very much. Anyway, so that gives you an idea of TreasureLand market. So anyway, if there are collections that you find interesting, the advantage, in my opinion, is that you have access to collections that are on Binance Smart Chain and on Polygon, which may or may not be easy to find elsewhere. So far, I'm not super excited by the quality of the collections I've seen. Those that have a fair amount of quality are either copies of the punks, or they have like hundreds of thousands of units, which I find, you know, if I want to collect NFTs, I want something that's a little bit more rare than this. But anyway, so that's what they've got here. They also have rankings. So if you're looking for collections that have a lot more sales, you can check them out here. You have to switch your wallet first and to get different protocol. And they have events. Okay, so you can look at this. Apparently there was a Rolex here. I don't know. Can we get to it? No. Apparently we cannot. And there's your application form if you want your collection to get verified. And finally, that's their Twitter account. They have 39,000 followers, and that's not so bad. So the market is probably fairly busy. Okay, and apparently you can mint with 0 gas, and you can trade or auction your NFTs with 1 click. So those are good advantages. They have a Discord server. So if you want to ask some questions, probably a good place to talk to them. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and get the free book about my crypto investment strategies. If you don't want it for free, you can go to Amazon and pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, who's going to give me $1 later. See you later.